Amid a heat wave crisis, Delhi's residents are battling for water and facing a water shortage. People have been seen standing in queues for water in New Delhi. This is, of course, the situation on ground. Remember, earlier the Water Minister Atishi had written to the centre as well, appealing for water to be water supply to be sent from neighbouring states like Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. My colleague Tanushka joins us from the ground. Tanushka, take us to the ground situation. We are seeing people still battling for water in Delhi.
Yes, so the water situation still seems pretty grim in Delhi. There are people in different pockets of Delhi still grappling with the water shortage problem. In Okhla, there is still a water shortage problem. When tankers are coming in, people are scrambling to get to these tankers to collect water. There's still water shortage problems in Sanjay camp, in Vivekanand camp, in Geeta colony. And what we know from Delhi Jal Board's bulletin that was released just a short while today is that there is still less treatment of water at the Wazirabad water treatment plant, which is because of less flow and release of Yamuna water. So Delhi Jal Board still continues with its concern of this water not being released from Haryana, which is causing this acute water shortage problem in Delhi. However, they've also said that the actual production of water today was 998.91 mega gallon per day, which is 42.91 mega gallon per day more than the capacity that is required. So at this moment, only the Wazirabad WTP is suffering a water shortage, and this WTP caters to most of South Delhi. So these areas include Greater Kailash, Lajpat Nagar, CR Park. So these are some major areas that are suffering due to the water problem right now. And of course, all of this is in consideration because of the heat. The heat wave situation is so intense right now that there have been 56 deaths that have been reported as per data by the Union Health Ministry. So